Mzansi, la eKempton Park namhlanje. Amaharnamela vaya phansi azelele information ukuthi kune-out eye-bouncer yase-Pentas obhayisa ama-drugs. Futhi njengoba makiwe emaklabhini kanje or kuyiwe ema-tavern, we think abantu balapha for ukugada abantu abaphuzayo, but yibo abantu ababamoshayo abanikeza ama-drugs. That is why sometimes emaklabhini uthola ukuthi abantu they are unruly and bayenza izinto ezi-wrong. So the same people that we trust ngempilo zethu yile bantu abasithengisela ama-drugs. Maharnamele athi ambhekile la man usemnyango ubhayisa ama-drugs. So phezu kwakhe zifana nabogada zifana namakhomanda. Wajera. Oh! Hey, my brother.
Okay, good.
You are bouncer, you're doing nonsense.
What?
Yeah? This is Chari.
No. You got a hand, man. Hey, stand up.
Afam, stand up.
Stand up, Afam.
Are you good, my brother? You know me, ne? Things are not looking good for you, ne? You must know that. I know that you are selling the stuff. Where do you keep the stuff? Chief, I'm going to ask you for the last time. Yeah? Do you think I'm a fool, ne? You think I'm stupid?
No. We're just going to take the vicinity. Maybe we can find something easy with us.
It's either you give me the easy way or you want to give me the hard way, Chief. It's up to you. I'm sure you understand very well. Eh? Yes. Things are not looking good for you. No. Hey, well. It's gonna be a long night for you, Chief. Nah? Are you able to talk? So why are you not talking? It's gonna be a long night for you, nah? You only selling ganja. What else are you selling? Huh? And what? And what? Huh? And what?
Finish.
What is finished?
I'm selling myself.
How much cat and rock do you have?
I don't buy and sell.
No, don't make me stupid, man.
That's fine. I don't buy and sell. I'll be honest.
Chief, move. Echa, move this way. Move this way. I'm gonna ask you for the last time. Last time. Then I'm not gonna ask you again. And if you want to talk to me, I won't talk to you. Nah?
Okay.
Rock and cat. Total stock that you have. How much? I beg you not to lie to me.
I don't know how much I have. But I'm just I buy a lot. I just tell them the plastic.
Big, small. So Where are the drugs in your body?
No, it's not between you.
Yeah?
I can bring it where it is.
Well, show me where it is. Are we going there now? Let's go, Chief. Come. Afam. Show me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, move that this way. I put it here.
Hmm? Here. This one.
Yeah. Don't take this way. Yes.
All you have. Rock la. Mfana zingenzani manje? You are the bouncer here. Your responsibility is to make sure that people are safe, ne? Yes, Chief. They don't do the wrong things. But when you are the one who's doing the wrong things. Rock Len. I think similar. So Chief, tell me. You are supposed to make sure that people are safe here. And you are supposed to make sure that people are behaving well here. But when you feed them that, why are you doing that? No. Tell me why. Okay. Yeah? You want to survive by making sure that people are drugged and they're unruly. Yeah? The next thing you guys are gonna say, hey, these drunk people are violent and they are not controllable. Like when you guys are feeding them drugs. When did you come here to South Africa? Which part of Nigeria are you from? Huh? Igbo. When did you come here?
I'm here
Hmm?
2009.
2009. So tell me, who are your customers for these things?
No, I sell it outside here.
Huh?
I sell it outside here.
To who?
So people normally come and buy it from me.
South Africans, no?
Yeah, some of them are from Nigeria food, come and buy it.
Nigerians come and buy ganja. South Africans come and buy crystal and rock, no? And cat. So do you agree, confidently so, to say the drugs that are killing people, they're not only killing people, but they're killing South Africa? So what am I supposed to do with you? Must I feel sympathetic for you? Must I feel sorry for you? Huh?
Well, I'm sorry. I know I'm sorry.
Okay, it's fine. We're gonna arrest you now, no? For this.
Please.
No?
I just lost my mom.
Yes?
I just lost my mom 2 weeks ago, please.
So does your mom say you must sell drugs? Did your mom condone you selling drugs here in South Africa and destroying other people?
Please, I have no control.
How many people have lost their sons because of you selling these things? How many people have lost their daughters because of you guys selling these things? How much stock do you have at home?
I don't have any control.
You want me to repeat myself? How much of this stock do you have at home? This is packaged. I want the stock that is not packaged.
I don't have that. I only buy it here.
From who?
I buy it from the street.
From who?
The street.
Who?
I believe the person who gives much hotel, I buy it in the street and sell.
Who are you buying from?
The people I'm buying it for, I buy it for the street.
Don't make me a fool, Chief. And don't tamper with my temper. Ne? Things are not looking good for you. I can make things worse for you.
I'm sick, I'm not going for.
I can make things very worse for you. I don't care. If you want to waste my time, you're gonna have a problem. Nah? You understand? How much more stock do you have at home?
I don't have any stock at home.
How much? Where do you keep the stock?
This is all I have. You ask me them.
Who do you buy from?
I normally buy it from on the street.
Who?
I buy it on the street.
I didn't say where. I said who.
I buy it from guys on the street there.
Who is that guy? Who's your supplier?
I buy it from some guys there on the street.
Okay, it's fine. Which flat do you stay at?
I don't have a house. I stay here.
Where?
Here in Deltas here. I stay here.
Not
So I show you everything I have here.
Okay. We are going to the police car.
Yeah. I'm very sick. Please.
Treated you like a gentleman.
Please,
and you make me a
please,
fool.
please, I beg of you.
It's fine.
Please.
Simtolilo Afam is a bouncer and he was resisting arrest. It shows that they don't respect Amapoisa. They don't respect the law. So how can they respect us as South Africans? So it shows that Rastafari. Jamal. Hello, sister. How are you? Tatum Donna, ma'am.
I'll show you your room.
How are you, Chief? Good.
While I was updating you that there's police outside, make sure that you hide everything.
Why would Lebogang speak about you hiding something? When?
She's staying here now. She's not.
Yes. Why was she saying you must hide everything? The police are outside.
I don't know. She just sent the voice note for me. Then I said, "Wait." I asked her, "Wait." She said, "Police is outside."
Chief.
Outside here, but
Why was she saying you must hide everything?
yeah, I don't know.
What is everything?
I don't know. She just sent me a voice note. That's why I see her. Then I never did. I didn't delete anything, but I don't know anything about it. That's why I see the voice note like that.
Okay. So what drugs are you selling?
Yeah, I'm not selling drugs, man.
What are you selling?
I'm not selling drugs.
What are you selling?
I'm not selling, please.
What are you selling?
I'm not selling drugs. If I'm selling, you say I'm selling. I'm not selling.
So what is it that you use to survive?
I'm using to survive. I only do every day, and me, I win every day.
You win every day. Okay, sharp. What? Take everything out. Everything out. Take everything out. Everything out. Chief, take everything out.
It's finished.
Okay, it's fine. So check it. So why were you lying to me?
Sorry.
Hmm? You're making me a fool. Hmm?
Sorry.
You're protecting drugs.
Sorry.
No. You'll drink what's at the police station. Uekochuku usigayile staff sakhe. It shows ukuthi labantu laba kahle kahle umthetho abawuhloniphi. Because amaphoyisa must engage nabo kahle. Basenza ilima. But ngoba thina as patient we take our time. Samncenga umuntu ukuthi asigaya ama-drugs. Because we know ukuthi masingawa bophanga lawo ma-drugs sasazobhenywa abafowethu. And abafowethu i-future yabo izoba destroyed, abantwana bethu i-future yabo izoba destroyed. So umsebenzi wethu njengosizokuthola to make sure that we eradicate ama-drugs. Angeke sistope and angeke sitshethele mrawo. Mojelo.
What are you hiding here? No, that's Stacy one. That's Stacy one. What one? No, there's no shit that is sad. No, come, come on.
Nice.
No.
Nice.
It was loud.
How are you, Chief?
I'm good, my boss.
Good.
Yes.
You know me? You know me, ne? And you know what I want, ne?
Yeah.
Where's your girlfriend?
It's inside.
Huh?
It's inside here.
Okay. Oh, you're throwing them under the car. Why?
I don't know who is coming.
I want more of this, Chief.
There's only few is dead.
Sam. When on cars, when you don't like problems, ne? Don and John, they.
No.
By Kona Kempton Road. Ndanda, man. Okay, where's the rest?
That's all I got.
Ah, you lying.
This is all I got. Look at it.
Open. What is your name, Chief?
Joshua.
Who?
Joshua.
Joshua.
Yeah.
Why are you selling Danta?
That's for them.
Hardship, no? Why don't you go home?
Because
When you have money.
That's more than
Okay. Some sure. But I want more of this thing. Good morning, sir. How are you? How are you, Chief? My name is Xolani.
Yes, I know.
You know me very well. Didn't you get the message that I'm around from the groups? You were sleeping, ne?
No,
Yeah, I see that you were sleeping. And your name is?
my name is Hyacinth.
High Sense.
Yeah.
Your street name is?
You call me Philip.
Yes, I know that they call you Philip. Philip, we are here with the issue of drugs, huh? I need you know.
Yeah.
What stuff are you selling?
I'm showing there is crystal.
Crystal. How? Crystal. Anyway, this thing is for hiding. Crystal and what?
This crystal and this one is
Cat. This one?
crystal.
Open it. Where's the rest of the stuff?
This is what I have.
So if you see me and you are going to have problems now.
Please.
Where's the rest of the stuff?
That is what I have.
Don't waste my time, Chief.
Please.
I'm not here to joke with you, ne?
No.
You know, ne?
Yes.
Very well.
Yes.
You understand?
That's why I don't want to dance around. Once you come, I tell you. Once he asked me, I told him.
Mother.
This is what I have.
Where's the rest of the stuff, Chief?
I don't need to dangle around.
But you are dangling around.
No, serious, I'm telling you.
How old are you?
I'm 48 years.
48 years.
Yeah.
You have a family, ne? I can see there's a woman there and a child.
Yeah.
Would you give your child those drugs to smoke?
I don't need drugs to
Would you do that?
No.
Would you want to see your child smoking?
No.
So why are you selling people drugs? Tell me, why?
No, not because
Most of your customers are South African.
No, the people I'm selling to is just white people.
They're South African.
Yeah.
Are you telling me that white people are not South Africans?
Yeah, they are South African.
Am I lying if I'm saying you are selling to South Africans?
Yeah, they are not lying.
Am I lying if I'm saying you are destroying South Africans' life?
You are not lying.
Hmm?
You are not lying.
Am I lying if I'm saying you are destroying families?
You are not lying.
Do you smoke drugs?
I don't smoke.
Why?
I never smoke.
Why?
I don't smoke.
Why?
Because I will not say because I don't like it or because it's not good or because of this, but I don't smoke. Even cigarette, I don't smoke.
No, it's fine, Chief. We will discuss. Philip simtholile umngani kaFelix. Shuthu umunye maka-chief omunye uyasala uya-operate. And sibathola basendleleni bathi bayahamba baya eNigeria manje. Sponsors we on the show ukuthi ama-drugs awekho ey'tradini zethu because we are reclaiming our streets, we are reclaiming our towns, we are reclaiming dignity yethu njengabantu abamnyama, njengabantu bala eSouth Africa. Baqamba manga bathi they are selling ama-drugs to other people abangasiba lapha they are lying. Abanye they make an excuse because abantu abamnyama bashela ukuthi bathengisela belungu, but also white people are South Africans. So silwa nomuntu obulala isizwe sethu, obulala abantu bala ekhaya. Angeke siyeke manje motshela.